love it, but they should have called it the Swiss Army cable.
This is the cable kit from LeverGear. This is more than just a cable. This ends all those cable dramas by having them all on you in an everyday carry. Yes, the perfect crossover between EDCs and tech. This is a keyring that stores all of your cable connections that you'll ever want. You have the rugged carry case that comes in with a pocket clip offering a second carryable option there. Inside, it has a hidden SIM card or micro SD card storage. There is a SIM card removal tool. You find a hoop for the lanyard or your keyrings if you want to put it on those. There is a USB or charging data connector, a secondary adapter, and of course that SIM ejection tool. You have the main cable, which is USB to USB-C, iPhone and micro USB. They come with various options from LeverGear as to what adapters you'll have inside that you can attach to that main cable. You've got iPhone to micro USB, iPhone to USB-C, USB-C to micro USB to iPhone, USB-C to iPhone, and micro USB to USB-C. The point being that this is a multi-adapter USB cable connector. So you have all the connections you could ever use on you all the time, because let's face it, it is the most frustrating thing in the world when you want to charge something up and you don't have the right connection on you. So now you do every day in an everyday carry. Because it's from LeverGear, firstly, we know it's a brand that we can absolutely trust for their build quality, and they back that up with a lifetime warranty. This has an RRP of just £18, but the prices do fluctuate a little bit. For the link to the very best price available right now, that will be linked below this video. And that is the cable kit, the perfect crossover between EDC and tech world.
So you bought the USB, is that called an A?
That's a USB-A, the big one.
Right, to a Lightning.
Yes, iPhone Lightning,
and
yes.
And then you've got a USB-C connection.
Yes.
I guess that's a C.
That's a C.
And
God, they're hard to hold.
And a micro.
Yes.
Okay. And I clip them on and I'm ready to go.
Yes. So literally on you all the time, you have the cable connections that you'll need. And like I say, there's loads of different options you can have for your main cable and the different connectors that will come with it.
So in the back there, I've got that
SIM card removal tool. And you can hide a little SIM card or micro SD card inside there.
Right down there.
Yeah.
So basically, this is like a phone nerd's tool. So do you remember those people that used to have the belt clips with their mobile phone in?
Yeah.
On the belt buckle?
Yes. Okay. So it is a phone nerd's tool because it's got the SIM card removal tool. But I see you out on a road trip. Yeah?
Okay.
And you don't have the cable you need to charge your phone up.
Oh dear.
Don't worry. The phone nerd has one, but I'm not going to lend it to you because you called me a nerd.
Hi phone nerd.
If you called me a nerd again.
If you want to get to your destination, hand it over.
Oh, you're driving?
Yeah. Simple trade.
Yeah. Okay,
now get out of my car. Pass me the...
Okay. But how many times have you been out and about, maybe with the kids, maybe you've gone out camping or whatever, and you needed to charge something from your power bank, but you've not had the right specific connection for that device that you're looking for?
I see what you've done.
Maybe an iPhone, maybe USB, micro USB, whatever it is.
It's really smart, but let's face it, LeverGear, they do the nerd world a huge solid.
Yes.
I didn't realise that they'd gone from those kind of credit card multi-tools into the cable organisation world. And I like it.
I just think of this as you wouldn't have a second thought on carrying a multi-tool with you, but so many of our devices now are electronic and need to be charged on the go.
Yeah.
So why not have the same attitude towards connecting cables together?
Couple that with a battery bank and boom.
You can charge, if you had a battery bank and you had this, you'll be able to charge any device that you own. For guarantee, every single device.
Just to be fair, the choices you've made are pretty smart. However, there's a USB C and a USB-C and a micro.
Yes.
I kind of think that one there, getting the C.
Right.
And there you go. You've got it. So when you went for the optional extras, maybe you didn't need the extra micro USB-C and you should have gone for something else. But then I think about it again and I go, well, hang on, you've got a lightning cable.
Yes.
So that's the iPhone.
Yep.
Micro USB, that's pretty much most things of older gadgets.
Yeah, if it's over 5 years old, it's micro USB for certain.
USB-C, that's all of the Android world, isn't it? And pretty much all the modern gadgets.
Every modern gadget, including the newest iPhones.
And all vape devices, they're all USB-C.
And the newest iPhones, every iPhone from now on.
What has gone to that?
Keep up, yep.
Now I really feel like I've missed something.
Yeah.
So, and that's the thing. I definitely followed things like iPhones far more closely than what I have of late. So is the current iPhone a USB-C?
Yes.
Whoa, mind blown.
I know.
So this is almost essential for anyone that's currently rocking an iPhone that goes out and buys a new one and goes, oh, great, all of those expensive cables and
that's true. Yeah.
and those plugs that I've upgraded.
Yeah, the point being is that if you're in your family setup or amongst your friends, it's very unlikely all of you are going to have the same connector on your devices. Even though we call them universal connections, USB, it's very unlikely you all have the same. Some people might have a torch that needs a micro USB. One person's got a new iPhone that needs USB-C. You've got an older iPhone that needs the lightning. You all need different things. And with this, you'll be able to cater for them all in one little everyday carry. I think that's really cool.
I love how organized that is. And then you just need to make sure that the spare part, I mean, you've got two of the optionals.
I've got extra spares.
Okay.
It doesn't
so
come
you
with
just
that
need to
many.
make sure it has your favorite one. So you've got lightning for your iPhone.
Yeah.
That was your choice in device. But from LeverGear, you can pick up whichever preferred format.
Yeah.
And then
and put that spare inside it.
have your second carry as the other device that you're familiar with. And maybe it's a vape, USB-C.
Yeah, exactly. Maybe it's a torch. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe
Something
it's
older.
a nightlight.
Micro.
Yes.
Smart. I see what you did there. I like it. And can I get a better deal than what you did?
You can if you use the link below. So that's been our look at the LeverGear cable kit.
Yes,
this
it
is the Swiss Army knife of cables.
I really enjoyed it. And I've got to be honest, I think it's coupled with a battery bank, an overall solution. And if you like to see more solutions to your life of everyday carries by me, not so much. Yours are getting very expensive. Make sure you're subscribed with the bell symbol ringing. It's got like little brackets. Ring the bell. Then you'll get notified of all future videos. And obviously make sure you like the video, make sure you comment, make sure you click the link if you want to buy stuff, and make sure you watch more videos because that's YouTube and that's what you do.
So bye then.
Yeah, that's all you get to say.